There's no law in Michigan that states you have to call the police after an accident with a deer. If you've hit a deer in Michigan, there's nothing that says that you have to actually call the police. There's no law about it. However, it's usually a good idea, and one of the reasons to do it is for insurance purposes. A lot of times your insurance carrier wants to know what happened so that they can pay the deductible and the damage to the vehicle. Some insurance companies will take your word for it that you hit a deer. Other insurance companies would want to see a police report to make sure that there wasn't something else going on. And so to be safe, we usually recommend that people call the police when they hit a deer, not just so it can be documented by the police in case there's an injury, in case there's property damage somehow, or the deer has to be removed, but also for insurance purposes. So that way you can make sure that your insurance company isn't going to try to stiff you when it comes to fixing your car. So if you've hit a deer, the best practice is to call the police.